Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today is January the 29th, 2016, which means it's the last week for you to be getting your tax payments. Yes. So it is tax season. Yay! Tax season. Don't we all enjoy when tax season comes? I mean, many Americans around the United States are like gonna buy cars with their money, We just enjoy tax season. Why? Because we work all year long, to support ourselves, to pay our bills, and to contribute to society. I thought something was on me. And to contribute to society. So what better way to, work hard and be able to get a little something at the end, So I definitely enjoy tax season. So, today, that's what we're going to talk about. And I'm going to give you just a few, clues, things to look out for when you're trying to file your taxes. So, when filing your taxes, make sure you are going to a professional person. Not nobody off the street, not, your friend next door. Go to a professional person, because with education background and filing taxes, with some kind of experience, in filing taxes. And some people, they consider doing it themselves, which is nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you're trained, Make sure you're trained and you know what you're doing to file your own taxes. Because some people, they talk about filing their own taxes and then, they're like, man, I did something wrong on there, and then the IRS is catching up with you later. So make sure you know what you're doing, just in case you want to do it yourself. Because nowadays they have kits that you can buy in Office Depot, Office Max. You can buy kits, and they'll pretty much show you how to, key in the information or whatnot. But you definitely want to make sure the stuff is accurate, Next, you also, when considering a person to file your taxes under, you also may want to ask some of your family members or cousins or friends some reviews on these people, just to, so you be on the safe side. You can look up reviews online for, if you want to go to these HR places, there are reviews online, so you can look up and see how they are, if they're doing the right thing, because sometimes you thinking a place is professional and, it can be pretty shocking. So just make sure before you give information to anybody, make sure you do some reviews and background work on these people and make sure they're qualified to do your taxes, okay? Because if something is wrong, it's going to come back to you, and, hopefully it won't. So this year, make sure you're going someone who definitely knows what they're doing when it comes down to filing your taxes. Another thing, do not wait too late to file your taxes, because you want your money, right? You definitely want your tax money. So don't wait too late. If you wait too late, you may not be able to get your money. So you want to file as early as possible. When you get, all your tax forms from all these different jobs, go on and try to set a date and file them. But you don't want to wait too late at all, Another thing, do not tell people how much you're getting back. Some people, they brag they're getting back a lot of money. They're getting in the thousands. Some people, you don't want to disclose that kind of information with anyone, unless it's, maybe your sister, brother, mom, or dad, somebody that's close, it's not going to say anything. But just, telling random people, yeah, I got this back from taxes, I'm getting this much back, I'm getting 5,000 back, I'm getting, 6,000 back. Do not disclose that personal information with people, because nowadays, people may be trying to rob and get your tax money. So you want to be secure and not, be big-mouthed about telling people about your tax money, because some people, they haven't worked and they looking for some come-ups on somebody's tax money. So you may want to not disclose that kind of information. Also, around this time, there's some people definitely, wanting to have a job around this season. They want to be in work the last season so they can get some taxes, or the last year sometime. Also, if you do not have, if you're babysitting somebody's child or a neighbor's child, do not feel the need to use their children on your tax form, because nowadays they're getting really, really strict with information, and privacy. So if you know that's not personally, you're not taking care of that child personally, don't be trying to use that child on your taxes, because good and well that is not your child, it's your neighbor's child, even if they may say, yeah, unless, you are really contributing to that child's life and helping them with things. And the person say, that's okay. I mean, that's up to you two if they say that's okay. But personally, don't do that, because, you don't want yourself to get caught up in some situations and you like, oh, I thought it was okay, but it really wasn't. Lastly, tell me, what are you going to buy with your tax money? What are you going to buy with your tax money if you're going to buy anything? Do you need a new wardrobe? Do you need a car? Do you need to pay some bills off? Or are you planning on saving your tax money to achieve a goal? So tell me below in discussion, what are you going to buy with your tax money? And I would gladly, enjoy reading what you're going to buy. So I hope you enjoyed this other video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me thumbs up at the bottom. Also, if you're not ready to subscribe to my Cute Talent channel, don't forget to look at my other videos and subscribe as soon as possible. So, have a good evening.